Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a stamp from Li Zhen in Heartopia. So she will be located in this area near the Suburban lake, and you're just going to talk to her. I am pondering on, an important matter. Expedition volunteer. I knew it. You're the one in charge of this. Again. So, a little expedition to Real Canyon? I'll think about it. My original plan was to go with Rory. Leave it to me. Oh, and you just get a stamp. So if you again want an easier stamp, just go here and then you'll immediately get a stamp. I think the easiest NPCs we have so far is no, is Azure and Li Zhen. I don't know how to pronounce her name correctly because I think it's in Chinese. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.